एनडी और सीडीएस का रिजल्ट आने वाला है। इफ द डे इज नॉट सो फार व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू बी द पार्ट ऑफ इंटरव्यू बैचेस, तो हमारे बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट रिटन पास करके जो इंटरव्यूज में जाएंगे, तो इंटरव्यूज में जाने का जो प्रोसेस होगा, क्या उनकी तैयारी अभी चल रही है कि नहीं, क्या अपने आप को पहले से ही रिफर्बिश कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, इसके ऊपर मैंने अपने एक व्यू को लेने के लिए एक छोटा सा डिस्कशन मोड बनाया इसमें। ये आपका पार्ट ऑफ द क्लास है। सो एक्चुअली द टॉपिक इज whether artificial intelligence is the future of the nation or not. Here I would like to focus more on that. It is for the nation. Instead of saying that it is the need of humanity, try to speak up about the nation. हम यहाँ पर सिर्फ भारत के बारे में बात करेंगे क्योंकि इस टॉपिक का सबसे बड़ा कैच यही है। I know that many of the students may have prepared that artificial intelligence is the future of the world or humanity. तो यहाँ पर मैं जानबूझकर आपको रिस्ट्रिक्ट करना चाहूँगा, artificial intelligence is the future of नेशन। तो आपको अपने पॉइंट्स को थोड़ा सा करेक्ट करना है और कलेक्ट करने के बाद आपको थोड़ा सा एक डिबेट या डिस्कशन फॉर्मेट में आना। सो बिफोर दैट लेट मी स्पीक समथिंग अबाउट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। व्हेन वी से आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस? इवन द वर्ड इज मेड अप ऑफ टू डिफरेंट वर्ड्स। नंबर वन इज आर्टिफिशियल, नंबर टू इज इंटेलिजेंस। सो आर्टिफिशियल मीन्स दैट इज it is man-made, and intelligence means it is the component which is known for the individual identity. Such as intelligence is a quality, it is a component which is present in every life. Here I say every life. You must have the basic intelligence to eat food when you are hungry, to go for a walk when you feel that you are somehow restless, or whatsoever the reasons are. But have you thought about the fact even computers or mobile phone, when they are going to be discharged, even they are asking for the charge plug? So actually it is a kind of artificial and intelligence. Suppose that the room temperature is increasing gradually and air conditions are going to be operated without any instructions. So it is artificial. Even the intelligence component is present in the machine and they are not following any instruction given by human beings. So actually here I would like to say, do you really believe that India is at that verge when we say that we need artificial intelligence for the betterment of the society or humanity, especially for the people of India, or not? So it is a kind of discussion or debate in which I expect that many of the students are going to participate. Objective is very clear. The day is very counted when many of the students are going to qualify the written examination, especially ND and CDS. And when they come for the SSB, even their preparation must be at that level or the verge where they are going to groom up their qualities for their psychology, for their GTO and their personal interview sessions. So, who is going to open up the discussion? So that's very nice that many people are going to speak up. So let's give you the opportunity. I mean, girl are lesser participating in that. So Nana, you please stand up. Let's start with the girl participant.
Very good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
So, according to my point of view, I believe that as India is the largest populated country and as we are living the 21st century, we need to work hand in hand and we need to progress more in terms of development. So, sir, AI gives us and boosts the overall nation in terms of development. We see that AI is in all the field. It is used in all the fields. First of all, sir, we can see it is helping in terms of education also, being the robots who are the teachers themselves. So we can see AI is used in the form of phones when we are using it in the form of Alexa or Siri. It transfers us all the news in just seconds, and we are able to do our work more efficiently and easily.
Okay, get it. So listen, it was a nice concept that you have developed. So actually focus more on India is a developing countries where many of the students are below the poverty line and even they are unable to manage their higher fees or academics, so that even technologies can boost up and help them to get the literacy or knowledge part. It is a very good part. So anybody else? So last, Anurodh.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
When I say artificial intelligence, let me bring in here the most crucial thing about it.
Speak fast, speak loud.
Right now we have a person standing with camera. Right now we also have our honorable teacher with the microphone. Now when I say artificial intelligence, at present instance everyone needs to switch on and switch off. But when I say artificial intelligence, the person starts speaking automatically, the automation will happen and camera will be switched on, and similarly the microphone will be switched on. Similarly, once the person finishes, the camera will be switched off and the microphone will be switched off. So this will help us regulate our entire destiny, entire journey that we need to see for the development. Now when I say about India, artificial intelligence for India, then recently we have multiple apps that has been launched by Government of India. And if you take into account the Global Innovation Index, India stands at 40th position among the Committee of Nations. Now this is the testimonial that this most populous nation, most youthful nation has a workforce which is very much prepared for IT sector. And since AI
Okay,
is
Anuradh, you are getting more time, so I appeal you to just precise the thing, maximum thing in a short period of time. Can you do this? 30
So-
seconds only.
Since AI is very crucial for the IT development and also for the other sectors, so it is a connecting link between the society, between the entire society and also in information
Okay,
technology
thank you.
sector. So I
Thank
believe.
you. Okay. Anybody else? Just boost confidence that you can speak from girl side, as girls are to be empowered, so that they should speak something in that. Yes. Priya, please stand up.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Speak loud.
We can take the recent example of ChatGPT that has been useful for all the students in today's generation. And even if we take the example of Google, it is also using AI-generated answers. So you can directly search a question in the question bar, and you will get an AI-generated.
So I would like to
answer.
intervene in that, as I have already spoken that utility of AI, especially for India. So the thing that you are speaking about, actually it is for the worldwide, everybody can use it. So actually what I said that it is a kind of catch in which you are going to be restricted.
Okay, sir. So talking about especially India, where it is the most populous and the country which has the most number of youths in its country. So talking about that, it can be used to launch various skill management apps and.
Okay, got it. Sit down. So I get the notion that your friend wants to speak that being a populous country in the world, even the level of unemployment is very high, so that skill management or many type of programs can be launched by the government of India, and even it is a platform through which we can just generate many of the skills of this country. So it is a good approach. So what I expect that you are going to cover maximum topic in the minimum time. It is a challenge. So anybody else from this side? So Aman, speak loud.
Good morning, sir. As we in present time, what we see that we are only know about the space only 5%. But in present time, we need artificial intelligence for the development of India. As after artificial intelligence helps a lot in exploring the space and Milky Way, our space, through which we can
As I've already told you, again I am repeating the same thing that in India only. So the thing you're talking about, it is for the worldwide. Saram, anybody from the girl side? Yes, Divya.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
I would like to say that if India can use its AI and in the defense field also, like they can generate something which can help them grow in the most various type of ways, which can which can be useful for India, and it can also be useful for us in teaching ways and as for the students also, and that will also be good for the students who are not able to get the point from the teachers. Like they can get AI generated counters and questions so that they can learn.
So the good thing that you are saying is in this time, being the aspirant of defense services, she is the first one who spoke about defense, utility of AI in defense. It is a very good approach that you have stated. Even I hope that the listeners at your SSB centers will get some more better impression if you talk about defense as your closer in the mindset, opinion. Actually, it is not a kind of guarantee that you're going to speak only about defense services. You can speak anything else, but actually you people are forgetting the basic thing, that you all are assembled for the defense examination. So think about that. Yes, anybody else? Satyam,
Good morning, sir.
morning.
So if we talk about the country like India, where we have the vast number of population as well as the unemployment, but here the main thing we need is to improve the skills. And further, if we talk about on the ground of artificial intelligence, in the various domains we have the uses. Just like in defense sector, we have the Nagasta societal drone. In another example, we can take from the state like Kerala, where the Bandicoot robots are being used for the sewage cleaning. And further, sir, we can also see that at the present scenario, just like election commissions are being responsible for the whole election in our country, now we have the new technology on the basis of artificial intelligence that is called blockchain technology.
So it is a very impressive point that you stated. I would like to appreciate two important points in which your friend listed up. Number one is the challenges of the sewage system. It is really remarkable thing that because of AI, presently we are able to manage human resource and restricting human resource to engage in the work which is actually not good for humanity. So that in that respect it is really appreciable. The next one is that election. We should not forget that India is the largest populous country in the world. And being a populous country, it is hard to maintain even or giving equal opportunity to each and everyone in the election. And so that it is a huge challenge for the election commission to give equal opportunity in respect of protection of the rules during the election. So actually AI can be used in that. So okay, girl side. So boys are equally participating in that. Girl. चलिए आप बताइए क्या नाम है आपका? विजय लिखना. तेजस्विन. Yes. Quality should be maintained. So that boys being are to put hands up. So that
As we see, artificial intelligence are getting modified day by day. We can see artificial intelligence are taking part of in our government sectors, in elections, in government other jobs, in different services, and even in private jobs. We can see that
okay, anything else that you would like to speak? Your friend has not spoken. Okay, sir. Anything else, sir? Now it is a huge challenge. So try to speak those topics or the contents which are not being spoken by your friends. Yes.
Good morning, sir. Now we are in modern generation. Sir, we are in moving.
Now we are in modern generation. Mean to say yesterday.
Now in modern era, sir, we are moving towards artificial general intelligence, sir. We think that in environmental issues, sir, like sir, if artificial general intelligence affects what is the cause and what is the we can think that what is the effect of that about that, sir. In respect of that, sir, in environmental issues, sir, if we can control the environmental disasters because artificial general intelligence can predict about the disasters and we have control over that. We are also control about the climate change because, sir,
okay, I would like to intervene in that. As I spoken earlier, that try to speak those parts which are actually restricted for India. Sit up. Sneha. Please stand up.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I would like to talk about.
Can you speak loud?
Yes, sir.
Ji.
Sir, I would like to talk about the medical sector.
Okay, very good.
They are equipment for the. They are,
Why you think about medical?
Sir?
Why you?
Sir, as my friends have talked about the various sectors, so the medical sector was also.
No, actually, it is a very correct point that she has taken. Medical sector is one of the deprived section in the India because population is very high and doctors are very limited. And if you are going to switch over AI, then with the limited resources of ours, we can provide much opportunities in medical sector. So that is correct. Please speak.
So, sir, as there are so many operations which is very tough to do. So AI is helping in those sectors also, and so as India is focusing on AI sector, and it will also help in the development part.
Okay. Sit down. Next, anybody from foundation? Yes. Please stand up.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
And we are moving towards a modern era day by day. Artificial intelligence can provide
Loud.
artificial intelligence can provide a very crucial role in many sectors. Just like we will talk about in education sector, students are very utilized in many ways. Just like students, what they want, they search by the artificial intelligence.
Okay, got it. So it is a very impressive part that even foundation students are used to speak in a bigger crowd. Please sit down. So let me sum up the substance. What is the need of it, and why I give you the opportunity to speak in a bigger mass? Again, you people are only preparing for the written examination. Listen, There are certain things which cannot be developed in fortnight, like the qualities, or usually you say that officers like qualities. Many of the students, when they come for the higher level, as I have already spoken, that after just 10 or counted days, many of the students are going to qualify their examination. They will assemble for their SSB examination. So whether you are ready for that type of challenges or not, so it is a kind of just testimonial. So let me give you some extra benefit in that. If you get certain topics, artificial intelligence for India. So always remember, there are two different topics or words in which you are expected to speak. Number one, artificial intelligence. Number two, India. So many of the students have spoken many of the content, somehow they are not relevant directly to India. So if I say, suppose, if I say that there are many challenges which are hard to solve by even human resources directly, likewise population counting, likewise medical support or aids, likewise even sewage related challenges like higher education cost and etc. In that respect, India is at most top in the world. Here I would like to focus India on, because population is very high. To count the population is not a small deal, it is a big deal, so that AI can help you. Next, as we know that number of doctors or medical support system is very compromised in India, and if you are going to take support of AI, it means that we can facilitate many of the people who are in need of. Next, India is well known for youth population, and if you do something such as through the AI, if you are going to just refurbish the condition of education, many of the schools which are not promoting good teachers, infrastructures are not there, and because of that students are not geo-paradise in terms of their education. So that with the help of AI, even they can get better education at their home only. So actually the challenges that I am speaking about, it is only restricted for India. You cannot expect that certain challenges are going to be implemented for the country like America or Britain. Why so? Because actually these countries, these developed countries are giving all the facilities free of cost. Even America, Britain, they are giving free of cost facilities. Even the country like India, even medical facilities is very high, it is very expensive. So in that term, if AI is to be introduced, even to be very cheaper, and people of the India, people of the country, directly they are going to be benefited with that. So actually it is the part on which everyone should think how to participate in the discussion or